This is Dalek Man Cat. This in Intense Urban Roblox Warfare.
It's called Intense Urban Warfare.
We're sorry for the lack of what?
I'm butchering someone with an axe.
Oh gosh, I'm stuck. Oh what? No, I'm not. I'm in the helicopter.
What? You're in the helicopter? Ah, dang it! I just got a friend request. One sec. Already accepted.
Friend request from Sanchez 515. I'm not requesting them anymore. But okay. If you're a fellow person,
subscribing.
If you're a subscriber, you might want to send me a message. I'm Don Dalek, as you probably know.
His name, yeah.
Let's do an epic grapple scene.
Oh yeah. Have you ever been in a video of yours when you videotaped it?
Yeah, I think so.
What? I've been a.
We probably. Whoa! No.
Crap, I just died. I'm terrible at this.
I could have stabbed him with my awesome dagger.
Max, wait. No, stop. Stop, you butcher.
What? It's not. Oh!
You're a butcher. You butcher. I hate you. I'm a butcher. Oh, dang it. You butcher.
I was trying to kill you.
Okay, we're both dead.
This is going to be a pretty short video.
Isn't? Is it not?
Wait, what time is it?
Well, we're going to see
11:36.
Yeah, we're going to see World War Z. So.
We heard it's pretty good. But.
Yeah.